Alright guys, here we are at Center Hill. We have some, I don't know how you say it, Potchki fire gel garlic. We got our Ned rig all rigged up. Threw a little garlic on there. You can get these heads right here pre-rigged. I think they're like $3. These Matsuos is what they normally look like, but I put a bigger presentation on there. These ones work well too. They did yesterday. I would have had some video for y'all yesterday, but it was pouring down rain. Didn't want to ruin my phone, but we're gonna get after it and get some good video today.